best not to look, 'cause I got some good news for you.
Hey guys, so I'm currently in my theater class. We are working on our theater project. Right now I can't talk much because they're like performing. We are reenacting this play called Othello by Shakespeare. Thursday we're gonna perform. Yeah, this is gonna be really great. I'm really excited for this production and I can't wait to see how it'll turn out. Hopefully I'll get a friend or someone to like vlog me perform. But yeah, vlog you later. So I just parallel parked and I'm about to get off my car. I did my hair for the first time in ever, and right as I'm touching the door handle, it starts raining. Are you serious? Oh my god. And I have an essay due at 12. It's 8 a.m. I have what, like, is that 4 hours? That's 4 hours. I have 4 hours to do an essay. So that's my update. This is December 5th, Wednesday, 2018, 8 a.m. I love this song. I love this. It was literally dry before I came here. I'm gonna cry. This is the first time also in like a long time that I'm not wearing a hoodie or a sweater. I decided to just go flannel today. And this is my luck. But I love this day. Essay due in 4 hours. Good morning, everyone. Today I came prepared with a hoodie. So with a hoodie and a rainbow, an umbrella, and we're gonna see what today has in store for us. I have a lot of homework, a lot of math homework due tonight, 2 essays due tomorrow that I have not started on, and 1 essay due today at 4 p.m. So yeah.